Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate affiliate deals with Dick's Sporting Goods step by step clearly. To activate affiliate deals with Dick's Sporting Goods, first, visit their official affiliate program website. Look for the Join Now or Sign Up button to start the registration process. Create an account by providing the necessary personal information, including your name and email address. Choose a secure password that you'll remember for your account. Agree to the terms and conditions, then submit your application. Wait for a confirmation email from Dick's Sporting Goods. Once received, click the link in the email to verify your account. Log into your newly created affiliate account. Navigate to the dashboard to access your affiliate tools. Familiarize yourself with the available promotional materials, such as banners and text links. Select the products or promotions you want to promote. Generate your unique affiliate links for the chosen products. Copy the affiliate links to use them in your promotions. Use these links on your website, blog, or social media platforms. Monitor your clicks and conversions through the affiliate dashboard. Stay updated on any new deals or promotions offered by Dick's Sporting Goods. Engage with your audience by creating relevant content around the products you're promoting. Adjust your strategies based on what resonates best with your audience to maximize your earnings. Regularly check your affiliate account for updates and payments. With consistent effort, you can successfully activate and manage your affiliate deals with Dick's Sporting Goods. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.